Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial, I'm going to teach you exactly how you can use different fonts for your designs on Canva. So let's get started. All right, so let's assume you've been working on a business card like that here. And as you probably know, Canva features a wide variety of resources, creative resources, as well as fonts you can use to give your design a really professional touch. So what you want to do, guys, is double click on the text box you would like to customize, like for example that one here. And if I double click on the text, it will automatically be highlighted and I will be given access to these editing features here at the top, like for example bold letters, italic letters, left, centered, right alignment, effects, the font size, and so on and so forth. And here to the very left, you have a list of fonts. Currently that font here is used, but you may switch to another font. Simply select the one you would like to use here from that drop-down menu, like for example that one here. You see the preview here, and simply click on it to apply it, and that's basically it. You can apply that to any design and content type here on Canva. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.